is going to be our graph right here.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here at PLM. And behind us today we have the 533 horsepower Civic top bar. Today we're going to try our very best to hit more than 533 horsepower. How do we do that? We have a new flash tune by Red Star Motoring down in Puerto Rico, and we also have the Flex Fuel by Dyno. Currently we're pushing E50, E85 50%, 91 octane 50%. We are very excited for today, so if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and also smash that like button down below. Now, further ado, let's go and start today's video.
So as of now, we are warming up the car and make sure everything is good once we start dynoing this. Alright, so our tuner for today is going to be one of our partners called Red Star Motoring down in Puerto Rico. Jose, thank you so much for doing this, for partnering with us and making sure our car is also hitting the right power. Alright, this is just a warm up, guys. Warm-up run, we already made 512 and 465 torque. And this is the graph. A little bit bright, but there you go. Alright, we're gonna do the second run, guys. Second run. Alright, for that second run we made 508 horsepower and 467 torque. And these are the charts for the second run. So that was the current tune that we had for the Type R. Now we are going to flash another tune for the car and see if we're going to make more power. So we were told by our tuner that our clutch might be slipping already, so hopefully it doesn't really slip out all the way through. And this clutch is currently OEM clutch, so we want to see if this clutch could actually hold. If not, we're going to go ahead and change it later. Alright, so that was our very first run with a new tune. Let's see how much we made. So we made 508 horsepower for that very first flash tune, or reflash tune, and we made 448 horsepower in our foot-pounds of torque. Alright, so this is the graph for our second run with a new flash tune. So far, we're only making 515 horsepower and 469 foot-pounds of torque. Again, this was the second run, and this is how the graph looks like, guys, for the second run with a new flash tune.
We flash another tune, and we'll see if this tune will push from 515 to even more.
For a new flash, second one, we made 513 horsepower and 464 foot-pounds of torque. This is going to be our third chart. So we're definitely hitting 5+, but it seems like it's slipping somewhere up. Alright, so we flash another tune here for the Civic top bar. This is going to be the second time we're going to reflash another tune. So we shall see if we're going to be making more than 515. So far, we've been making 515, 510. So we shall see if we're going to make more than 515 right now. Alright guys, so we got some better news now. We are making 521 horsepower. We're making 477 foot-pounds of torque, and this is how the graphics look like. So this is telling us this car might be needing a new clutch. So the tuner said that we're going to need another E85?
It's in like an extra gallon.
Okay.
Now we finally added gallon of E85 the Civic Type R. We'll see if this is going to make some more power with it.
Alright, let's see how much we made. Our fifth run, guys, we made 513 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. And this is how the graph looks like.
Just flash another tune. We're gonna check out this time how much power we're gonna do. This is going to be our sixth run, guys.
With a new flash tune, we made 527 horsepower and 474 foot-pounds of torque.
Alright, so this is what's going on, guys. It's not even reaching 533 for some reason. The E85 that we have in this car is pretty much old. With that being said, we might need to reschedule another tune and put another E85, but stick to this current flash tune. We'll see.
Alright, so we have another flash tune, guys.
We'll see how much power we make this time. Last time we made 5.7. Let's see if we make more.
Woo, 532 and 481. We made 532 horsepower and 481 foot-pounds of torque. And this is going to be our graph right here.
So to end this video, guys, unfortunately we did not make over 533 horsepower today. In fact, we only made 532. So our tuner told us that he found two issues. First one would be our clutch. So we have an OEM clutch with its high horsepower. Obviously the clutch is going to slip. So we're going to take care of that one. Eventually we're going to do like another stage 2 tune. Second issue would be the E85. Since the E85 is already a month and some change old, we're going to pump out the current E85 inside the car and we're going to change it with a newer, fresher E85. If you enjoyed this video, do us a favor, smash that like button down below and also subscribe for more PLM videos, and that way you guys can see the progress of this 533 horsepower Civic Type R. See you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.